Hello there, very good afternoon to you. The weekend now just around the corner, and in the next couple of days we've got a lot of weather to get through. As you can see, we've got this rain band sitting across more southeastern parts. That's a cold front. Behind it the air is much colder and it's showery as well, so a mixture of sunny spells and showers for much of the UK through this afternoon. But because of the cold air, we are expecting those showers to be a little bit wintry in places, and you'll certainly notice the difference with the feel of things. As we look ahead to this evening and overnight, that system clears off the scene, but we do have more in the way of showers continuing across the UK overnight, and tonight is when that cold air really starts to take a hold. We're expecting those showers to turn rather wintry in places, particularly over the higher ground. As we look ahead to the start of the weekend, we do so with a cold and a showery start, but increasingly turning dry with sunny spells later, but then later on still clouds, strong winds and rain spread in from the northwest. See you later. Hello there, very good evening to you. There's plenty going on over the next few days, but before we get into it, just a reminder that the clocks spring forward an hour tomorrow night. But back to the weather. This is just a few headlines we can expect over the next few days, which will be pretty bonkers. Cold and wintry. Yes, wintry. Not as unusual as you might expect at the end of March for some tonight, and then wet and very windy for some this weekend, particularly tomorrow night. And then as we move into next week, warm and sunny conditions are expected. When I say warm, well, let's put it this way. By the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, some parts of the southeast could even challenge the March record, which has stood for over 50 years, and that March record is more than in sight. Instead, this cold front that cleared off the scene through today is going to leave us in a very cold air mass as we look ahead to tonight. Showers tonight, some of those showers are going to be wintry and hail mixed in there as well. The wintry showers most likely across the higher ground. So as we look ahead to start the weekend, you can see we do so, of course, on a cold note, but those showers continuing for a time before they gradually fade away, and we're left with some much drier and brighter conditions around the middle of the day. But of course, there's more changes afoot, and this collection of Atlantic frontal systems starts to make itself known from the west during the second half of the afternoon. So cloud, wind and rain, really quite a lot of rain and quite a lot of wind. So Sunday, of course, is going to be disappointing as that system clears away, but real signs of something exciting for next week. That's it. Have a lovely weekend.